Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's embark on a comprehensive journey into building with agent using gamified hex codes. This tutorial will cover everything from the basics of agent to creating engaging applications with interactive hex color challenges. Introduction to agent and gamification. What is agent? Agent, formerly known as Google Generative AI API, is Google's powerful platform for accessing their large language models, LLMs. It allows you to integrate conversational AI capabilities, text generation, summarization, and more into your applications. Think of it as your toolkit for building intelligent agents that can interact with users in natural language. Core capabilities text generation create articles, stories, scripts, code, and more from prompts. Chatbot / conversational AI build interactive bots that can answer questions, provide recommendations, and hold conversations. Summarization condense large blocks of text into concise summaries. Translation translate text between multiple languages. Code generation and explanation generate code snippets and explain existing code. Image generation via other models or integrated tools, create images from text descriptions. Key components models these are the pre-trained LLMs that power agent. Examples include Gemini Google's most advanced models, ideal for complex tasks. Comes in different sizes, example Gemini Pro, Gemini Ultra. Palm 2 a powerful language model suitable for a wide range of tasks. Prompts the instructions you give to the model. Prompts are crucial for guiding the model to produce the desired output. Effective prompting is an art and science. API keys / authentication you'll need an API key to access the agent service. Libraries / SDKs Google provides libraries in various languages, Python, Node.js, Java, etc., to make it easier to interact with the API. What is gamification? Gamification is the process of applying game design elements and game principles in non-game contexts. It's about making activities more engaging, motivating, and fun. The goal is to increase user participation, learning, and overall satisfaction. Core gamification elements points awarded for completing tasks, reaching milestones, or demonstrating progress. Badges visual representations of achievements or skills acquired. Leaderboards rankings of players based on their performance. Can be competitive or collaborative. Challenges specific tasks or goals that players need to complete. Levels representing increasing levels of skill or expertise. Rewards tangible or intangible incentives for achieving goals, example virtual currency, discounts, access to new content. Storytelling / narrative integrating a compelling story to make the experience more immersive. Feedback providing users with clear and timely information about their progress and performance. Combining agent and gamification for hex code learning. This tutorial focuses on using agent to create a gamified experience for learning and understanding hex color codes. Hex codes are a fundamental part of web development, graphic design, and digital art. By making learning fun and interactive, we can improve knowledge retention and engagement. Our gamified hex code learning application will feature hex code challenges. Agent generates challenges where the user must guess the hex code for a given color. Asterisk points and scoring. Asterisk points are awarded for correct answers and deducted for incorrect answers. Asterisk hints. Asterisk agent can provide hints about the color components, red, green, blue. Asterisk levels. Asterisk difficulty increases as the user progresses, introducing more subtle color variations. Asterisk feedback. Asterisk agent provides feedback on the user's guesses, indicating how close they are to the correct color. Asterisk explanations. Asterisk agent explains the hex code components, RGB values, for the correct answer. 2. Setting up your development environment. A. Get an agent API key. Asterisk 1. Go to the Google AI Studio website, https://makersuite.google.com/app/api key, https://makersui.google.com/app/api key. This may change over time. Check the latest Google AI documentation. 2. Sign in with your Google account. 3. Create a new project, if you don't have one already. 4. Generate an API key. Important asterisk. Treat this API key like a password. Do not share it publicly. Store it securely. B. Install the necessary libraries, Python example. Asterisk Google Generative IA, the official Python library for interacting with agent. Asterisk Python .env, optional, but recommended, for securely storing your API key in a .env file. C. Create a .env file, optional, but recommended. In your project directory, create a file named .env and add the following line, replacing your _API_ key with your actual API key. D. Basic Python setup asterisk. Create a Python file, example hex_code_game.py, and add the following import statements. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk we import the necessary libraries. Asterisk we load the API key from the .env file using .env. Asterisk we configure the agent API with our API key. Asterisk we select the Gemini Pro model, or Gemini 1.5 Pro. This model is a good starting point for general text generation tasks. If you have access to other models, you can experiment with them. 3. Generating hex code challenges with agent. Let's create a function to generate hex code challenges using agent. Explanation asterisk. 1. Function definition asterisk. The generate_hex_code_challenge function takes a difficulty argument. 2. Prompt engineering asterisk. We define prompts for different difficulty levels. The prompts instruct the model to asterisk generate a color description. Asterisk provide the name of the color. Asterisk give the hex code in the RRGGBB format. Asterisk for harder difficulties, we ask for more subtle or unique colors. 3. Agent API call asterisk. We call the model.generate_content method with the prompt to get a response from the model. 4. Response parsing asterisk. We parse the response text to extract the color name, description, and hex code. We use split lines to separate the response into lines and then iterate to find the lines containing description, color, and hex code. 5. Error handling asterisk. We use a try, except block to catch potential errors during the API call and response parsing. 6. Return value asterisk. The function returns a tuple containing the color name, description, and hex code, or none if there's an error. 4. Implementing the game logic. Now, let's build the game logic around the hex code challenges. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk validate _hex_code, hex_code, asterisk. Asterisk checks if the input string is a valid hex code format, example RRGGBB. Asterisk removes wit space and converts to lowercase for consistency. Asterisk verifies the starting and length of 7 characters. Asterisk uses a try, except block to ensure the hex part can be converted to an integer, base 16. Asterisk get underscore hint, hex underscore code, asterisk. Asterisk extracts the red, green, and blue components from the hex code. Asterisk randomly chooses one of the components, red, green, or blue. Asterisk returns a hint indicating the approximate value of the chosen component, 0 to 255. Asterisk calculate underscore score, guess, correct underscore hex underscore code, asterisk. Asterisk validates that the user's guess is a valid hex code using validate underscore hex underscore code. Asterisk calculates the Euclidean distance between the guessed RGB values and the correct RGB values in RGB color space. This gives a measure of how close the colors are. Asterisk scales the distance to a score between 0 and 10. A closer guess, smaller distance, results in a higher score. Asterisk explain underscore hex underscore code, hex underscore code, asterisk. Asterisk generates a prompt for agent asking it to explain the RGB components of the given hex code. Asterisk calls the agent API to get the explanation. Asterisk returns the explanation text. V. The main game loop. Now, let's put everything together to create the main game loop. Explanation asterisk. 1 play underscore game, function asterisk. Asterisk initializes the score, level, and difficulty. Asterisk enters a while true loop for the main game loop. Asterisk generates a hex code challenge using generate underscore hex underscore code underscore challenge. Asterisk prompts the user for their guess. Asterisk handles hint input, provides a hint using get underscore hint. Asterisk handles quit input, exits the game. Asterisk validates the user's guess using validate underscore hex underscore code. Asterisk calculates the score using calculate underscore score. Asterisk checks if the guess is correct and provides feedback. Asterisk if correct, increments the level and adjusts the difficulty. Asterisk prints the total score. 2 if underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals underscore underscore main underscore underscore colon asterisk. This ensures that the play underscore game function is only called when the script is run directly, not when it's imported as a module. 6. Running the game. Save the code as hex underscore code underscore game.py and run it from your terminal. 7. Improvements and further enhancements. This is a basic implementation. Here are some ideas for making it even better. Asterisk user interface asterisk create a graphical user interface, GUI, using libraries like tkinter, PyQt, or a web framework like Flask or Django. This would provide a more visually appealing and interactive experience. Asterisk color display asterisk display the target color visually in the GUI. This makes it easier for the user to understand the color they're trying to guess. Asterisk difficulty scaling asterisk implement a more sophisticated difficulty scaling system, perhaps based on the user's recent performance. Asterisk more hints asterisk offer multiple types of hints, example a range of possible values for a component. Asterisk leaderboard asterisk store scores in a database and create a leaderboard to encourage competition. Asterisk user accounts asterisk allow users to create accounts to track their progress. Asterisk adaptive learning asterisk use the user's performance data to tailor the challenges to their specific weaknesses. Asterisk custom prompts asterisk experiment with different prompts to influence the types of colors generated and the quality of the descriptions. Prompt engineering is key. Asterisk image generation asterisk use image generation models to display the color being described to the user. This can greatly help the user guess the right hex code. More sophisticated scoring system. Add a timer to the game and reward the user for correct guesses with a bonus if they guessed within a certain time frame. Mobile app. Create a mobile app using frameworks like React Native or Flutter. Personalization. Create an adaptive learning mechanism based on the user's progress and skills. This could be used to create tailored exercises to hone their skills. 8. Code example combining many of the above improvements. Here's the code example combining many of the improvements discussed earlier and taking into account feedback. It contains a more sophisticated prompt with increased accuracy when generating hex codes. Key improvements. Time-based scoring. A bonus is added if the user correctly guesses in a short amount of time. Improved prompting. Prompts now give additional instructions to the model, such as output one color only and tell the model to act as a color expert. Remember to replace your _API_ key with your actual agent API key. Experiment with different model parameters, example temperature, top_P, to control the randomness and creativity of the responses. Handle errors gracefully and provide informative error messages to the user. This tutorial provides a solid foundation for building a gamified hex code learning application with Agent. By adding more features and improvements, you can create a truly engaging and educational experience. Good luck.